In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Weltrade. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to create your account or register if you don't have one yet, and then you'll get the access to your dashboard over here. Now, on the dashboard, there's a few things you can do, and here, as you can see, the default page is called Dashboard. This is where you can basically see your total balance. You could go ahead, open new accounts, either real or demo ones, and then see how they are performing. Over here, you could also see your promotions, and then you could also see the window over here where you can essentially download their trading platforms. So in case you are interested in any of that, you could go ahead and download the platforms over here, okay? Then you have the finance tab. This is where you can deposit basically onto your account. You could also withdraw from your account. You could transfer, which means you could do a transfer from one of your accounts to a different one over here. And you also have the save here, which is kind of your save box. And as you can see, you also have the currency exchange over here as well. And you also have the operations history, which shows you all the different history onto your account. So you also have the promotions tab on the left, and this is where you can basically see you have different promotions they are running. So if you want to use those, you're perfectly able to. You have the web terminals, which will open up the either MT5 or MT4 web terminal over here inside Weltrade directly, which is pretty nice. And then over here you have the Wellcoin. So this is basically where you can learn more about Wellcoin. You could start earning it, you can learn about it, stuff like that. You have the promo codes down here where basically you get different promo codes you could use if you want to. You have copy trading, so you can agree to these terms and conditions and you could go ahead and start copy trading on the platform. You can see it says MQL signals, so in case you are interested in that as well, you could also explore this. You have education here, so in case you're interested, they have different seminars, they have forex calculators, economic calendars, they have MetaTrader mobile over here, so a bunch of different things. And if you need any help, you could also go in the help center and basically get customer support, do basically an inquiry for a partnership in case you want to, etc. Now up top in the middle, you could also access dashboard right away, which is this tab here on the left. You can see your finances right away. You have the partner program, so in case you want to sign up to it, you could of course do that too. You can refer friends via this button up top, and then you have the quick buttons to actually deposit and open an account if you want to, okay? Down here, if you go to this top over here, it will basically pull down a drop list where you can set different themes, you can change languages, see the web terminals, promotions, education. So there's a bunch of different things. You could also access settings where you can see the authorization, security, notifications, payment templates. You could also verify your account in here, etc. And lastly, last but not least, down here bottom right, you have this button where if you open it up, you could go ahead and get help from their support. So that's pretty much how this works. That's how to use it. That's the walkthrough. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.